Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. In this video lesson, we will be learning about reviewing options of Microsoft Word. So what is reviewing options? Sometimes things happen like you write a wrong word or wrong spelling, or you duplicate a word 2 times in your document. So reviewing is the feature of Microsoft Word by which you can correct your document. It provides spell correction in your document. For example, if you are writing Mahatma K. Gandhi, popularly known as Father of Nation, here the spelling of father is wrong. Spelling of father is F-A-T-H-E-R, but I have written by mistake F-A-T-E-R. So to correct this spelling, you can right click onto this document. Microsoft Word will show red underline which have wrong spelling. So I am right clicking onto this word and it will give me suggestion what is the correct spelling maybe. So first one is father. If you click onto it, then it will correct your word. Now you can also ignore spelling error. Sometimes if you feel that my spelling must be like this, or you are writing in some other language, then it can be your spelling might be true. So to ignore that spelling error, you can click on to this ignore spelling button. If you want to set proofing language, for example, currently my proofing language is English. You can set it by here, set proofing language, and select the language. Currently I am writing in English, so I am just selecting English and click on to this OK button, and your proofing language will be set. Now let's see what is Smart Lookup. Click on to this Smart Lookup option, and as you can see, it will grab particular word from internet, and you can also listen to pronunciation of that word.
Tribute.
So my word is actually tribute, but I have by mistake written a wrong word, tribute. So I am just correcting it, and this is a Smart Lookup which searches for word on internet and give you result. It also give meaning of particular word. For example, I want to look up for generations. So it will search on internet for generation word. Define generation. All of the people born and living at about the same time regarded collectively. So this is generation Smart Lookup. I am also correcting this generation word. So this is how you can improve your document. You can utilize Smart Lookup feature for looking meanings of words. So this is about spelling correction and Smart Lookup. So this is about reviewing document in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much.